have to say that I hate this topic. Whenever it comes up, it's never good news. It usually comes up after there's been weeks, if not months, of someone throwing chemicals at the pool, running the pump, wasting a lot of energy, trying to run the pump longer. And no, I understand. No one wants to believe, not even me. I hate it, talking about, gosh, you need new cartridges. Sometimes if you have, decent size ones, they're right around $300, $200 for grids or so. And sand, that's a whole big once every 5-year process. That's around $400 to $500 if you have it all done with the sand delivered and included and all that. But let's take a look at this. There's about 30 minutes of information here on this blog post. What's really interesting are these links here. They'll open up in a new window, but this is other professionals out there that, their opinion as far as what they think. And I'm going to tell you, it's my opinion, and I see it with pool service a lot. Matter of fact, to the point where we've had to update our agreement to really help people understand that once you have a cartridge filter, a DE filter, a sand filter, the inside of that filter must be changed on time, or else 95% of your pool staying clean and nice, you've removed it, because the filter is everything. So with your cartridges, if you take a look down here at the bottom, and this applies to grids as well, this will show you how to soak them once a year. And if you're hurting on money and after reading this, oh my gosh, my filters are terrible, I have to replace them, and you need to save up, at least soaking them, in a few bottles of this stuff will buy you a couple months. This is exactly what we've done here with these sets of cartridges. This is for a lady that didn't have the money, and we, at least by doing this, it bought her about 3 months, 2.5 to 3 months, and her pool stayed nice. Anyways, take a look at all this information, and I hope it helps you. This video here that I'm talking to you now on is going to play right here. But I will tell you that once you find out that your cartridges are bad, or if you've let them go a year or two, you're not saving any money, because if you add up all you will spend in algicides, shock, clarifier, you name it, you're really spending more than just replacing a bad set of filter media when it's time. And that's it. Hope this helps. Take a look, read, watch, and let us know. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.